What's up today? Major cleanup, y'all. We've been busy out and about a couple of days. So I'm heating water. Everybody who knows me knows I'm off grid. I'm heating water to put in the sink so I can wash dishes. So that's where I'm going to start. Then I'll scrub the stove. I'm going to take that stuff across there, off of there, scrub that off, anyway, just get everything cleaned up, at least dishes wise, and then see where I go to next. I'm telling you, if you're not home every day, things get piled up. I'm not going to show you all the mess because that's just crazy and embarrassing, but that's where I'm starting. Okay, and this is my board. It's just a thick piece of plywood. Put it across the stove. I also use it across the sink when I need the counter space. You can see 3-quart jars of chicken that I canned a couple of days ago. I'm ready to clean the jars up. Anyway, put a towel on it. Put my flat stuff, dishes, pot lids, cutting boards in that. And my silverware I put down in here. So let me get these dishes washed up and then I'll bring you back. Okay, one sink full washed. They're in the rinse water. I wanted to say also that I put vinegar. I put about a cup of vinegar in this side. It helps cut the soap and any other grease that's left on the dishes, which there isn't usually any grease. Anyway, it cuts the soap. So let me get back to it and get this finished up. Okay, I did what I set out to do. Pretty well cleaned the top of that off. It's got some rust marks on it, but it's an old stove. The stove is 36 inches wide, and it's huge in this cabin, but man, I love this thing. Look at all the space in between the burners. Now, if you're wondering what this is, you may know, this is a coffee grinder that I put beans in. And there's my French press. And I'm about to grind up some beans and make myself a fresh pot of coffee because I've earned it, y'all. Whew, I'm tired. I get tired easy these days. Anyway, I'll bring you back in just a second. Okay. There's my French press. There's my coffee grinder. Let's see if I can readjust this. Well, I don't know. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. I can turn it a little bit sideways. Anyway, get that out of the way. You just turn the grinder, the top of it. It's this handle. I'm going to show you something right quick. See, there's beans in there. I put the little clear cap on it and the handle for grinding. And then start grinding. And you'll see it going down into the tube on the inside. So let me get my coffee ground while I'm waiting on the water to boil. Okay, I've got my coffee ground. I'll bring it up to just about that line right there. And that's about enough to do this French press. It'll give me about 2 nice big cups of coffee. Okay, the bottom part just unscrews from the grinder. And I just dump it in there. My water is going to be boiled pretty soon. When it gets to a boil, I'll put it in here and put the top on. Okay, my water's boiling, even though it's not whistling yet. This kettle doesn't whistle real good, so I'm going to turn it off. Flip open the spout. pour it into the French press. Put the top on. It's just a little basket thing. Let it rest for, I don't know, 5 minutes till the coffee is done brewing. Then I'll put it in my cup and drink it. Okay, the coffee's ready. Just push this down. Pushes down, pushes all the coffee grounds to the bottom. Most of them. A few escape, and that's okay. And pour myself a fresh, hot cup of coffee. So there you go. I'll let you know this handle, see, it's broke right there, so I hope it stays on forever. This was my old one, and I really enjoyed it, but it was glass, and the glass broke out of it, so I guess all I can do with that is throw it away. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed whatever little there was here. And if you get a chance to get a French press and put fresh ground beans in it, you will not be sorry, I promise you that. It's really, really good that way. And you can make it as strong or as light as you want. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.